Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy the show. On tonight's menu, smoked paprika chicken and casual chef rice pilaf. The morning mise en place. Just after prep. All the goodies for the marinade. All the herbs and spices blended and ready to get the marinade all on the chicken thighs. Everything in the bowl, and the chicken is nicely coated, and in the cold box it goes for several hours. And here's the evening mise en place in order of appearance. And we'll be using parchment paper tonight. And here's the chicken thighs ready to go in the hot box. Everything is in the hot box. Heating up some oil in a saucepan. The onion, garlic, and the red pepper are going to be sauteed for a few minutes. And then I add the orzo and give it a good stir. And then I add the rice and give it. Then I add the spices and give it a good stir. I add the peas. And then I add the veggie broth. After stir or bring to a boil. And then it's going to simmer on low for 15 minutes. The chicken is out of the hot box, looking yummy. The rice pilaf is done. And here's the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the show. Have fun cooking.